Hello friends, welcome to Sunday evening's special video. Very important video for everybody because markets are going down. Sometimes we feel no, it is going up. It is just picking up. Today we need to know what will be the direction of markets in the next 1 week. These 5 factors which will determine the markets in the next 1 week. Have a look at it carefully. First one is reaction to state election results. The vote count is going on today for 5 state elections in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kerala, Assam, Puducherry. The results will be clear by late evening today. We have to see how much the stock markets react tomorrow based on this news. Second factor is coronavirus cases rising again. Daily new cases of COVID-19 in the country was around 3.92 lakhs on 1st May 2021. The number of daily tests conducted crossed the 19 lakh mark for the second consecutive day in India. The vaccination pace has reduced in the last 2 weeks due to shortage of vacancies in various states. Third reason for the market to go up or down tomorrow is fear of lockdowns extending in many states. Due to rising COVID cases and lack of sufficient medical oxygen and hospital beds, Delhi has already extended its lockdown by another week. Similarly, Maharashtra imposed restrictions till May 15. We have to see whether other states such as Karnataka also extend lockdowns. Lockdowns have a huge impact on business and indirectly on stock markets. Fourth factor that can make the market go up or down tomorrow is global factors. Any major news from global markets, especially from American markets, will impact on our markets in the coming week. Global cues were mainly negative on Friday evening. The fifth factor is technical analysis levels. Nifty closed at 14,631 on Friday. Nifty 30 DMA is at approximately 14,645. So currently the Nifty is in sell zone for short term. The markets fall further, then it will be in don't buy zone for short term. Of course, these indications are not relevant for long term investors. Today we are asking a very interesting question to all our channel viewers. Which company is the largest producer of medical oxygen in India currently? The answer is Vedanta type A, Reliance Industries type B, Tata Steel type C, Mahindra type D. But please comment compulsorily so that we feel happy that you've been participating with our videos. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, our kind request, please subscribe, press the bell icon. This we have been telling for a long time now, and we want to reach the subscriber base of at least 1 lakh with your help so that large number of people will be educated from our videos throughout the country. If you like the video, it goes a long way because YouTube will rank this video higher and start showing it to everybody around. And if the content is good, type good compulsorily. Send this video to large number of your friends with the WhatsApp groups so that they too will be able to understand regarding stock markets. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.